make 2.0. First, you grab a piece of gray, then the red one, then the other one goes here, then the other one goes here, then the other one goes here, then the other one goes here. That can spin.
What finish is that?
It's a ring out finish.
Should we try it in the stadium?
Yeah, let's try it in the stadium.
What's the name of this Beyblade?
2.0.
Okay. Woo. Nice.
It really can spin because we can see through just like a telescope. Let's hold on it.
Okay, bye.